Here we are in downtown Phoenix, Arizona. We're right here on Roosevelt Street on this beautiful little 1920s, 1930s historical home. And that is 16th Street right there. And that's a beautiful blue, baby blue Toyota Sienna. Let's go inside and see. The project we're working on today is installing a solid maple wood flooring over the existing wood flooring, which the client called us out to sand and refinish, and we advised them that it's beyond sand and refinish since it's got repair there way over gapped here from some kind of a water damage, and he agreed with us and he decided to go with a brand new Bellawood solid maple wood flooring, which is pre-finished from the factory. It's 3/4 inches thick. And let's go ahead and take a look at the, he did remove the baseboard. He's a great client of ours, and you can see that's a beautiful light fixture. It's one of a kind, it's unique. Alright, and we do have a antler head here, and once again this is the kitchen. Like we talked about the pine flooring, well, in the kitchen it's beyond scraping, sanding and refinishing, and it needed more work than we wanted to do, and he wanted to pay, so we did go ahead and decide on a new wood floor over the existing. And you can see it's beautiful historical home, always have arches, built-in bookshelf, cubby holes. You can see this flooring is in pretty rough condition, and that's why we'll be installing over it. And once we do that, we still have enough clearance at the front door where the door will close, and at the side door. And let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the house. The hallway has some pretty nice lights. Alright, and the bathroom here, it's still a work in progress. So the bathroom here, you can see it has a beautiful claw tub, which is painted. Very, very nice. Alright, yeah, the house does need a little work, and hey everybody, but we'll get it done. That's where the washer and dryer goes. That needs to be filled in. Not a problem.